Bula, sorry about that. All right, we're back on. If the first you don't succeed, get yourself up and try again. So I just had to restart my modem and we're gonna start this again. Let's go. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Wouldn't be the same if I saw you in heaven. I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help me stand if I saw you in heaven? I'll find my way through night and day, 'cause I know this can't stay here in heaven. Time can bring you down, time can bend your knees, bend your knees. Time can break your heart, have you begging please, begging please. Beyond the door, there's peace, I'm sure, and I know there'll be no more tears in heaven. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. heaven. Thank you very much. Vinaka. Bolo Vinaka, sorry I had to restart the whole session. I was having issues with my internet, so I just restarted my modem. But thanks, everybody. Sorry, let me restart that one. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Well, my friends, the time's come. Raise the roof and have some fun. Throw away the work to be done. Let the music play on. Everybody sing, everybody dance. Lose yourself in wild romance. We're going to party, grandpa, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. Whoa, we're going to party, caramba, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing my song, hey, all night long. All night long, all night. All night long, all night. All night long, all night. Yeah. People dance along in the street. Feel the rhythm in their feet. Life is good, wild and sweet. Let the music play on, play on. You feel it in your heart and feel it in your soul. Let the music take control. We're going to party, grandpa, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. Say the whoa, we're going to party, grandpa, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing my song, hey, all night long, yeah, all night long, all night, all night long, all night, all night long, all night, yeah. Once you get started, you can't sit down. Count on the fun, it's some merry-go-round. Everyone's dancing the troubles away. Count on the party and see how we play. Tambalite setimoya, yeah, tambo tambo, it's a party, oh we going, yeah, tambalai, tambalite setimoya, yeah, tambo tambo, whoa, oh, 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 yeah, we going to have a party, all night long, all night, all night. Everyone you meet, we're jamming in the street all night long. Yeah. Ooh. Once you get started, you can't sit down. Control the fun, it's a merry-go-round. Everyone's dancing their troubles away. Control the party and see how we play. Tambalita said to Moya, yeah, tambo, tambo, it's a party, oh, we're going. Yeah, tambalai, tambalita said to Moya, yeah, tambo, tambo, it's a party, oh, we're going. Yeah, tambalai. Thank you very much. Just gonna do a quick tune on my guitar. Getting a few off notes there. Bolo Vinaka, everybody. All right. Let's go through some comments. No woman, no cry. All right, bro. We'll do that one. Bulavinaka Ellie, thank you very much for tuning in. Bulatanya. Vili Dhamaivuna. Bulavinaka. Joseph and Grayson Mario. Nisambula. Omats. Bula brother. Bulavinaka from Sydney. Thank you very much for tuning in. Said I remember when we used to say in the government yard dress on, hey, over observing the hypocrites, mingle with the good people with me. Oh, good friends we are, good friends we lost along the way. In this great future, you can't forget your past. So dry your tears, I say, yeah. No man, no cry. No man, no cry. Here, little darling, don't shed no tears. No, no woman, no woman, no cry. Say, said I remember when we used to say in the government yard, dressed on a little Georgie will make the fire light. It's like wood burning through the night. Say, then we would cook all the porridge over which I share with you. My feet is my only carriage. Yeah, so I got to push on through. While I'm gone, I say everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright, yeah. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright, yeah. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. 'Cause inside out is in the house tonight, sin no woman, no cry. No woman, no man, no cry. You little darling, don't shed no tear. No, no woman, no woman, no cry. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you very much. Dedicated to my cousin Alex. Thank you for that request. Naka Matanggali, Mr. IB Mbuli, Bulvinaka bro. Naka vina wale vina vitokoni. Thola vina mai lau Tokyo. Chichi, Bulvinaka Lotte. Bula Racheli. Thank you very much. Bulavinaka Dhati. Katie, is it Katie? Vincent? I'm so sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Bulavinaka from Vancouver. Thola Antonio. Bulavinaka. Hey, Sayan Ravinaka Kai Ket Bulavinaka. Bula Merlonga Nisambula. Denzel. Howdy. All right, this next song is dedicated to the crew from 18 Trends and the gang in 64 Paul Sloan. And that's an amazing song that you requested. It is my pleasure to sing that song. Sambula vinaka matangali tai bula. Matao bula vinaka iri. Yo, ambo viaset toko wala na internet ngo. Osangi drop test takatuna no gumodo mi lalanga. Hey Kenneth, bula bro. So let me just grab my capo. All right, let's go. Here's an amazing song by Foy Vance, and it's called She Burns. You guys should check this one out. Well, I'm going to sing it for you live, but check it out after. I was introduced to this song by my very good friend Cormac Brown, who is now in Whangarei, New Zealand. To the crew from Beach House, this one's for you if you're tuned in. never turns the lights down low. She can go there if you wanna though. There are no markings on the country road. The signs that show the way back home. When you get there you don't wanna go. I've frozen all my desires, covered up in virgin snow. When I stand beside her, she burns it, she burns like petrol, soap, paper, and fireworks. And I'm burning, and I'm burning, I'm burning so deeply that breathing hurts. I'm melting, darling, I can't let go. She likes to lay under the covers, oh, pretend that everywhere's our home, keeps me warm right to my very soul. We get so tangled up, it's hard to know what is her and what's my own. Right to the bottom of an olive grove. I've frozen all my desires, covered up in virgin snow. And when I stand beside her, she burns it, she burns like petrol, soap, paper, and fireworks. And I'm burning, I'm burning, I'm burning so deeply that breathing hurts. I'm melting, darling, I can't let go. I'm melting, darling, I can't let go. I've frozen all my desires, covered up in virgin snow. When I stand beside her, she burns it, she burns like petrol, soap, paper, and fireworks. And I'm burning, I'm burning, I'm burning so deeply that breathing hurts. I'm melting, darling, I can't let go. 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 Thank you very much. That was Four Events with She Burns. Hope you enjoyed them. To the crew from Trends and Denzel, yeah. That was for you guys. 18 Trends, yeah, and Paul 64 Paul Sloan. Thank you very much. If you just tuned in, Bulu Vinaka from Denarau, Sarah. Thank you very much for tuning in. Vinaka. Hello from Tangaloli Mountain, Yawa. Somebody requested a song from Vince Gill. Sure. Let's see what we can come up with. a pretty smile. It sure has been a while since I felt your touch. You've got the sweetest way. I think about you every day. Oh, I miss you so much. Oh, my pretty little Adriana, are you lonesome tonight? Oh, my pretty little Adriana, I find you when it all feels right. You're so soft and innocent, sweetest that I'd ever spend was being held in your embrace. Such a gentle soul, oh, it's killing me to know. When will I see your face? Oh, my pretty little Adriana, are you lonesome tonight? Oh, my pretty little Adriana, I find you when it all feels right. Oh, my pretty little Adriana, are you lonesome tonight? Oh, my pretty little Adriana, I find you when it all feels right. Adriana, oh, I miss you, babe. Adriana, ooh, Adriana. Thank you, Naka. My guitar seems to be going off very quickly. It must be the cold weather. All right, here's an original, well, actually, a song that I had the privilege of collabing with my brother from KKU. And this one was done a few years ago, and this one's called Nongu Sinikao. It was requested, I believe, last week, but I didn't get to sing it because I went through the comments, and then I saw the request in the comments. So yeah, once again, if you're dropping in your comments and if I miss out, my apologies. I try my best to read through all the comments, but please keep them coming, keep the requests coming. Thank you for tuning in. The one and only Moji you need. Chee, Matangali. One big thank you for me, bro. Makaboli nongu seni rosi yamba kibanda rube ikila ikina sanga imai bakabotu kanandina esengatale niuloma loma rua bimbi nindondo mango yala yala awa maida buta na wakandua nongu serika nongu nduamba kona umbao dingobia meuno muy wakama daulo mati komba una numali namatay ni nga una ketika diwana ya damun may nambua correctivity au onggaya lombula ese ngatale ni loma loma rua bimbiri nondo mongo nayala yala hauma idabuta nayalogu meuno mubakandua nongu serika nongu nduamba konda umbao dingobia meuno muy wakambao nongu serika nongu nduamba konda umbao dingobia meuno muy wakambao konda umbao dingobia meuno muy wakambao. Thanks. Vinaka, vinavolivo. That was a lovely song written by Bill Vocanauto from KKU. I had the privilege of collabing on that track. Hope you enjoy it. What the heck was that? All right, let me see. Bolovina Katina. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, there's a long comment here. Okay. It's Bolovina Bill Kunavatu. Dedicate the next song to Veawaki to Merlin Nawalowalo and her crew in Nasinu Village, Overlao, and not forgetting Mrs. Rangona and her kids over in Nakelo District School. Thank you very much, Bill. And this one's dedicated to you guys, Merlin and Mrs. Rangona and your kids. Nawalebu. Let me just get the lyrics for this song. Boom. I'm just gonna tune my guitar quickly. It's the thing with this harmonizer that I'm using. By the way, if you are new to the Velo Mining Live session, I have a harmonizer and a looper pedal. If you're wondering where the extra harmonies and the extra loops and beats are coming from, I'm using my feet to engage them. So, and if my guitar is a bit out of tune and I press the wrong chord, my harmony goes off. So a bit of multitasking there. It's fun. All righteous. misplaced my pick. Correct. Found it. Sotia usarakenan loba maihuni utogu ebulilikina na sereogo lobo sotia irui mbibi au kene amoni bosota ongono ngundondo momeona venga una auto enraba la buboli Tau tu veia una matangu no museni rosi Nongulenga kelene una waseli vei Obole kama inokutangane Sota bolimai Eu tukuna e matamuna no mundo no mo isamokila Nasere ongo esa lavata e anina iloloma E anu kombura tukula o kere amoni goma Thank you very much. Now level. Sorry, I messed up the lyrics a bit, but I hope you enjoyed that one. Vinaka. whoa, oh, whoa, whoa. Let the bar break, let it come down crashing. Let the sun fade out to a dark sky. I couldn't say I'd even notice it was absent. 'Cause I could live by the light in your eyes. I'll unfold before you what I've strung together. Every footsteps of a love long love letter. Tell the world that we finally got it all right. I choose you. I will become yours and you will become mine. I choose you. I choose you. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa. There was a time when I would have believed them if they told me you could not be true, just love's illusion. But then you found me, and everything changed, and I believe in something again. My whole heart will be yours forever. Love letter, tell the world that we finally got it all right. Choose you. I will become yours and you will become mine. Choose you. Choose you. We are not perfect. We learn from our mistakes, and as long as it takes, I will prove my love to you. I am not scared of the elements. I am underprepared, but I am willing, and even better, I get to be the other half of you. Tell the world that we finally got it all right. Choose you. Will become yours and you will become mine. I choose you. Tell the world that we finally got it all right. Choose you. Will become yours and you will become mine. I choose you. I choose you. I choose you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Vinaka. All right, let's go through some comments. Bula Vinaka Valerie. Valerie Ho. Thank you very much for tuning in. Oh, I appreciate the comment. Vinaka, Vinaka. Rosie and oh, I think you're tagging. Yeah, Rosie and Bula. Bula Tix. You're being tagged. Kiana, dedication to Tangaloli. All right, this next song goes to now to the crew in Tangaloli. All right, Inik Full of Brass. Dedicate the next song, Au Tangilo, to all those tuning in. All right, this one's to the crew from Tangololi and to everybody tuning in. Bulavinaka Vinaina. Maroroi. Bulavinaka, my bro. Vinaka. All right. Listening from Kelly. Oh, Vinaina, you're listening from the States. Oh, thank you so much for tuning in. Bulambula. Maitao. Next song is dedicated to the podcast team in Christchurch. The Meja Tevita Kalumaira ke Corporal Chope Nrala. Save tonight, Eagle Eye Cherry. Oh, chi. All right. So we've got Autangilo and Save Tonight. Also Felicia Bulavinaka. Sade. All right. Okay. Oh, before I sing the next song, I'd like to make a short announcement. If you can see this logo here, I know you guys have been following. If you've been following me for the past few months, I've been talking about this brand that I've been releasing, and I have some great news. We're going to be selling our vests and taking orders. This week, we finally got the batch of singlets out of the factory. Due to COVID, we had a lot of hiccups and a lot of delays with the production of our singlets, and they're finally ready. And we're going to start taking orders this week from Monday to Wednesday. So cutoff is on Wednesday by 5 p.m. All you have to do is message the Yandra page on Instagram or Facebook, and we'll start taking your orders. And we have a limited stock, and from the first batch that's been produced. So start sending in your orders, and then we'll have them delivered to you by the end of this week. Yeah, it's exciting stuff. Support local, guys. All right, this is to the crew from Tangololi, and also, who was it? Who requested this song? Inik. Hope I pronounced your name right, bro. natalenga me maroroya nondarube ikilai me maroroya nondarube Thanks. Nawalevu. Thank you. To the crew from Christchurch tuned in tonight, this one's for you guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, guys, I got a few more songs to go before I sign out. Thank you very much for tuning in. Da, 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 da. Oh. Let me see. Oh, okay. One request from Brisbane, Andrea. Sure. Oh, lovely song. I haven't done that one in a while, so here's one from Kambani. Dedicated to everybody that's tuned in from overseas, over the seas. Vole kamay mo sala ko, lolo male bubay ko. Vole kamay mo sala ko, nanumiyaw sasi Rui Maleka au maroro ya kamarengeta tawa kuileda na una koya isalelewa mbona numa ole kamai osala ko lolo male ubeiko sala ko nanumiao yutueke daulo mani movo sota narunga una samaidaba que na comida tomani dale marulasa ruinga sa no mutuyawa au nalili matamule eyandi vole kamai mosala ko lolo male ubeiko vole kamai mosala ko nanumia sala ko lolo male ubeiko vole kamai mosala ko nanumia yutueke vole kamai mosala ko lolo male ubeiko vole kamai mosala ko nanumiao niutueke. Winawalevu. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's going to be my second last song for tonight. Matagali, domanda na sere ni I.O. Oi, isa. All right. Here's one from that band called Inside Out. Sitting here, got some time. That good old tune is on my mind. A sweet, sweet sound playing on and on. It's telling me to grab my guitar, flip my amp and pull them plies. I gotta let it out before I hear it no more. This is what it sounds like. Let the music play. Oh, the sweet, sweet sound of music. Yeah, yeah. This is what music can do to you. It'll make you love and feel the groove. It'll set you free like nothing will. Oh yes it can take you high up into the clouds and make you fall into lovers' arms. Just close your eyes and fall into the moon while I be playing like. Let the music play. Oh, sweet, sweet sound of music. Yeah, yeah. Kami dan narorongo, 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 kami dan narorongo. And when the music gets through to you, it'll make you love and feel the groove. It'll set you free like nothing will. Oh yes it can take you high up into the clouds and make you fall into lovers' arms. Just close your eyes and fall into the moon while I be playing like. Kami the narorongo, kami the naroro. Let the music play. Oh, kami the narorongo, kami the naroro. Let the music play. Kami the narorongo, kami the naroro. Kami the narorongo, kami the naroro. That was an original song by Inside Out. It's called Let the Music Play. Hope you enjoyed that one. Thank you so much. This is going to be my last song for tonight. I would like to thank you all for tuning in. Apologies for the start of our gig. We had some internet connection problems, which is totally out of my control, but the show must go on, and it did go on. Thanks. Alrighty, so last song for tonight. I always forget. I'm not sure if I pinned a comment. Yeah, if you're enjoying the tunes, feel free to drop in a tip. And yes, I did. I pinned a comment. I remembered this time. I always forget. But yes, if you're loving the tunes, feel free to drop a tip. Details are in the description. Um, yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. So I've started a new thing where I'll be doing an acoustic cover. So I'll release an acoustic cover tomorrow. I'm gonna record it in studio and post it up. And I'll do that every Monday. So look out for that one. The first one I did was last week, and that was what song did I do? Oh, Sarah McLaughlin. Yeah. So I'll do one tomorrow. Also, I have very exciting news. I've got a new song coming out, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. It's dropping, and we're gonna be recording the music video. Fingers crossed, I can get the track ready and release it this Friday. And it's gonna be an awesome partnership. Um, I can't wait to share it with you guys. It's something exciting. So look out for new music. Here's one that everybody knows and can sing along to. Hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came down in the hollow, playing a new game, laughing and a running, hey, hey, yeah, skipping and a jumping in the misty morning, for without outside thumping in you, a brown-eyed girl. You, my brown-eyed girl. Whatever happened to Tuesday and so slow, and going down to the old mile with the transistor radio, standing in the sunlight, laughing high behind a rainbow's wall, slipping and a sliding all along the waterfall here with you, a brown-eyed girl. You, my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember where we used to sing la 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 di da, la 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 di da, la di da. So hard to find my way, yeah, now that I'm on my own. So you just the other day, oh my, how you have grown. Kiss my memory back then, Lord, sometimes I'm overcome, thinking about making love in the green grass all alone. City of me with you, a brown-eyed girl. You, my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing la 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 di da, la 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 di da, la di da, la 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 di da. La 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 di da. La 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 di da. La 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 di da. Da di da. La 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 di da. La 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 di da, la di da. thank you very much, everybody. Have a great week. Have an awesome night. See you same time, same place next week. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on my YouTube channel, and also Leandra. We're taking orders for the new singlets. Yeah, like the page, give it a follow, message your details, and we shall get your orders in by the end of the week. Thank you very much from the bottom of my I'm talking too much. Goodbye, everybody. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Thank you for your company. Vinaka. Mare.